Scenes like this are unavoidable in everyday life. You have to spray, wipe, sweep, and mop to get clean floors. Introducing the all-new Skadu M1. An incredibly powerful wet and dry vacuum that picks up liquid spills and dry waste in seconds. Sticky food spills are no match for the Skadu M1. It is super easy to use. Comes with a large water tank and starts with just a click of a button. Now you can clean hardwood floors, Italian marble, and more. It packs an immense amount of power, leaving your floors shiny and sterilized in a single pass. The Skadu M1 instantly converts regular tap water into hypochlorous acid. And along with a UV disinfecting lamp, it helps you sterilize your floors without harsh chemicals. The new Skadu M1 has a patented waste collection system that efficiently separates dry and wet waste for easy disposal. And once you are done, it intelligently cleans itself, saving you from post-cleanup cleanups. What's more, the Skadu M1 is also an instantly detachable vacuum combo. The motorized floor brush picks up large debris, dust, and allergens from your floors. The crevice tool is great for nooks and crannies. The 2-in-1 soft bristle tool does wonders around your house. The anti-mite brush thoroughly cleans your mattresses. The extension pole allows you to reach corners to clean like never before. You can even use the Skadu M1 to clean your car. Now you can scrub, vacuum, mop, sterilize, and dry your floors in a single pass. It's time to say goodbye to the old way of cleaning, my friend. From now on, just Skadu it.
Hi, I'm Hanan, co-founder at Skadu. After years of engineering and design, I am now proud to bring you the new Skadu M1. This is our second campaign, and we have thousands of happy customers around the world. We've learned a lot and come a long way. There are 3 key innovations in this machine. 1, the clean water tank. It instantly converts regular tap water into hypochloric acid that helps you sterilize your floors in a single pass. The second most important innovation is the wet and dry disposal tank. It efficiently collects wet and dry garbage and separates it so you don't have to clean up afterwards. The third and the most amazing invention in this machine is the instantly detachable handheld vacuum combo that allows you to take the power of the Skadu M1 all around your house and even in your car. I am confident that the new Skadu M1 will help you clean faster, better, and live an easier life. So what are you waiting for? Back us today.